Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to our Metrovision, our school in EMS and Disaster Management Center. First, I will introduce myself. I'm Alden C. I am your trainer today. So, before we will start, I will check your attendance. Please sign this first. Okay, thank you. What's that? Okay, thank you. Now, we'll give you a little background of the school. Our school is located here in General Malbal Street, Pasig City. The vision of the school is disaster resilient and emergency response society. And the mission is to promote healthy lifestyle, readiness and proper responding to threat and safety, life and property. So, NC2, AMS NC2, we have four basic competencies and also four basic common competencies. And it has also 16 core competencies like perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation with AED and maintain life support equipment and resources, implement safe access and extrication procedures, and the rest. So these are the core competencies. So today we'll discuss the CBT and the pre-assessment feedback. So CBT orientation, first we will know what is the meaning of competency. Competency is the application of the knowledge and skills and attitude required to perform work activities on the standard in the workplace. Then, CBT by definition, it is a competency-based training. It is based on the curriculum developed by the competency standard. So, based on the system, so the students or the trainee trained on the basis of demonstrated ability. Then, they will be assessed, depends on the performance according to the requirements of the standard. Okay, we have two. The CBT and the traditional. So the traditional approach, there is only little feedback. Then in the CBT, so there more a conversation or feedback from students. Then the trainees, and in traditional approach, the trainees or the students will come at the same time, while in CBT they come in anytime. Okay. So CBT. From traditional, it moves up to CBT or individualized learning. So the principles of CBT, we have the learning modular structures. There are a lot in one module, there's one competencies. Then the training materials will be related to the competency standard and the curriculum modules. So it will be given to you the modules, so it's up to you with you will do or the readers based on the curriculum. It allows you to recognize prior learning so that we will know your underpinning knowledge and skills. Then the role of the trainer. So this is the role of the trainer. I am a trainer. I will serve as the team member. So I will determine your underpinning knowledge. Then whatever want to learn, so I will advise or we will communicate, then you will ask me, then we will discuss what do you want to learn. Then I will do the diagnosis, solve the problem. So if you have problems and questions, so you come to me and we will discuss on it. So you as a trainee, you have also rules. So you will be the one to choose what kind of learning or competency you want to learn. Then you also the one to rate yourself. Then if you're ready, that's the time you will call me. Okay, this is the CBT flow. So first, now the students come as the trainee, you learn the program. So I will administer the RPL, later on, the orientation and the rule of the trainees. So I already discussed that to you. Then you as a trainee, so you select your competency, then we will give you the contracts and the CPLMs, and we provided you all the review materials, the review learning package, the multimedia materials, then the manuals, and we do also the demonstrations. Then you do the assistance if you need to ask me whatever, if you have problems. So Then, while doing so the training will do practice. So when you are ready, so the trainer will be the one to observe you. Then, if you think you rate yourself and you think you're ready for the institutional assessment, so the trainer will rate your performance. And if you are already competent, you will be advised to take for the national competency. Now, if you finish one of the competency satisfactorily, so you go back to the instruction of the trainees who will select another competency, so that if he already or she completed all the competency, then they will be advised to perform or undergo national assessment. Then the student or the trainee will exceed. But if you need only few competency you need, so if you're already done, so you will exit the program. But if you need more additional programs or competency, you go back to the program. So from the beginning, then you go back. So now if you're not doing good, so you did not pass the competency exam, for the institutional exam, you're free to go back to do practice. Then, so that if you're ready, so you go back to testing. If you pass, then you go. Okay. So, CBLM, so competency-based learning materials. So, in here, this is the CBLM. Okay, this will be source of information or acquired knowledge and skills. So, this is a particular trait independently on your own pace. So, you will be the one, all the materials, the reading materials, all the forms already here. So, then the CBLM composed of the information sheet. So, then I also have the checklist, self-check. So, it is a quiz or to check your knowledge. If you have alert already, then here also is the task sheet, the job sheet, and the operational sheet. So then how we will track your progress. So there are three things how in tracking your progress. First, we will provide you the training activity matrix. So here, there are the training activities already written, then the venue, the date, then whatever if you completed that one, you have the progress. So we will go to the progress chart. So in here, your performance will be assessed. Then if you completed all that, so you have the achievement charts, so all the competencies, then all the activities you have done, then you have a good performance, so that's part of the achievement test. Now, we do the RPL, so the prior recognition learning, recognition of prior learning. So we have the data gathering, the self-assessment checklist, and the pre-test. So I am here, data gathering, so I will give you 5 minutes to answer this one. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So here, these are the self-assessment checklist. So you have also 5 minutes to answer this one. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Good. So the next is the pre-test. So the pre-test is only 15 items. So you'll be given 20 minutes to answer this one. This is to determine your basic, your learning, baseline learning. So we will try to test you, but don't worry, nobody will fail in the pre-test. Okay, answer it. 20 minutes, sir. Okay. Okay, thank you. So after this one, grouping based on the RPL will be presented to you later on. So it will be checked, then you will be grouped later. So here we have the 9 CBT areas. So this is the map of our school. So we have the learning area, the computer area, so the training resource areas, in contextual learning areas. So for better understanding, so sir, all of you, please stand and follow me so that I will tour you in the areas of this building. So that area, that is the one side is the practical work areas where you perform your practice. Then here, if you're already competent and ready for the assessment in the institution's area, then the other one room there is the trainer's resource area. Then the learning resource area where the lectures and the film viewing will be shown. In the other side also is the contextual laboratory learning, so, and the other is the support areas, then the computer lab on the other side. Okay, so how you will be assessed? So we have three forms of assessment. In C2, AMS and C2, we have the demonstration with oral questioning. So you do perform the competency. Then after you perform the procedure, then the assessor will ask questions. Then later on, after you've completed that one, you will do the interview portion. Then after that, all of you have completed each of, or you will be grouped. Depends on the requirements. You will be grouped. Then you will be given a scenario. Then you do you respond. So this is the application of your knowledge and skills. So this is part of the assessment. Okay, we have already the result of your RPL. So the data gathering, I think most of you are nurses, so almost 50%. Then the rest are students, and the other is in the industry. So I think the industry, those are the people in the DRR or in the ambulance service. So now, Mr. Olivac, since you're a registered nurse, I will assign you to perform the basic life support. Then, because you are, and Miss Irene, since you are already assigned in the DRR, your experience, so I will assign you in the implementation of safe access extrication. So the rest, you have already your names, then you find which areas you belong. Then, this is the pre-test result. So maybe some is very low and the other is too high, maybe because some of you students have no experience and your knowledge, but the other is, since you are medical, you're nurses and experience, that's why you got the high score. So I think this is very it's normal because it's extreme. There is no experience, and there are others has more experience. So tomorrow we have already the assignment. You have the grouping. So come back tomorrow and we will do the next activity. So that's all. Thank you and good evening.